Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a really simple but super effective way to present your team using Canva. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work, showcasing your team for a class project, or just want to make a fun introduction slide, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your team look professional and eye-catching in just a few easy steps. Let's dive right in. First, let's imagine you've got a nice picture of your team ready to go. Now, the key to making your team stand out is using Canva's frame elements, specifically the circle frame. These help keep everything neat and uniform and really make individual team photos pop. So here's what you do. Head over to the Elements tab in Canva and in the search bar type in circle frame. You'll see a round frame appear, which is perfect for team member photos because it keeps things looking clean and modern, sort of like profile pictures on social media. Now, instead of dragging out multiple frames one by one, here's a little trick to save you a bunch of time. Copy the circle frame by holding down the Alt key or Option if you're on a Mac, click on the frame, and then simply drag it to create a duplicate. Each time you do this, you get a new copy, so you can really speed things up. Keep going until you've got the number of circles you need for your whole team. In this example, I'm making 8 because that's the size of my group, but feel free to add more or fewer circles depending on your team's size. Just make sure you space them out neatly so it doesn't look cluttered. And here's a quick reassurance: if at any point something looks a bit off or not perfectly aligned, don't stress. Canva has built-in snapping guides to help you line everything up, and you can always nudge things into place later. To be honest, when I'm working on a real team presentation, I like to get the frames set up first, just so I have my layout ready. It can feel a bit like setting the table before the meal. You want the foundation right so the main content, meaning your team photos, has a great place to shine. Next up, let's give your slide or page a bit of personality by changing the background color. This step isn't just for looks, it can really help your team photos stand out. I usually recommend picking a background color that contrasts nicely with your images. For example, if your team is wearing mostly dark clothing, go for a lighter background and vice versa. To change the color, just click on the blank space around your frames and choose a color from Canva's palette, or even use your brand colors if you have them. This simple step instantly makes everything look more polished and intentional. Alright, almost done. Now it's time to add your team's name or a title like Meet the Team or simply Teammates. Adding this text isn't just a finishing touch, it helps viewers instantly understand what they're looking at. Grab a text box, type your header, and position it somewhere prominent, maybe at the top or center. You could play with fonts if you want, but keep legibility in mind. Remember, you want people to quickly recognize this as your team. And honestly, that's it. Once you drop in each teammate's photo into the circle frames, you'll have a beautiful, cohesive team introduction slide. Super quick, super effective, and totally customizable for any kind of group. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or want to share your finished team slides. I'd love to see what you create. And of course, hit the subscribe button for more easy Canva tutorials and creative tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.